The Supreme Court has reserved its judgment on a petition filed by Justice Yashwant Varma of the Allahabad High Court, who was formerly of the Delhi High Court. Justice Verma is challenging the validity of an in-house inquiry report and recommendations made by former Chief Justice of India Sanjiv Khanna to the President and Prime Minister calling for his removal from office. A two-judge bench comprising Justice Dipankar Datta and AG Masih heard arguments throughout the day. The court also dealt with a separate plea from Advocate Mathews J, Nedumpara, who sought the registration of an FIR against Justice Varma, who is accused of huge corruption. Appearing for Justice Varma, Sibal argued that the internal report and the in-house procedure it followed had no legal sanctity beyond a fact-finding process, and it couldn't trigger impeachment proceedings. Quote, "This has now become a political issue," Sibal said, contending that the matter spiraled after media leaks. He insisted that there was no formal complaint and that Justice Varma was not allowed to cross-examine witnesses. A right, he said, was crucial to any credible inquiry. Justice Datta questioned the timing of Justice Varma's challenge, noting that he had taken part in the inquiry and only raised objections after the findings went against him. Quote, "Your conduct does not inspire confidence. You accepted the process and then waited for a favorable result," Justice Datta said. The bench stated that the in-house inquiry was merely a preliminary step and that the Chief Justice's recommendation does not amount to removal. Quote, "The in-house report is not binding on Parliament, it is only advisory. The actual power to remove a judge lies with the Parliament under Article 124. Sibal insisted that the in-house report had overstepped its remit and that CJI's recommendation had given it undue weight. He added that the leaked video footage of currency notes found at Justice Verma's residence had severely harmed the reputation of the accused. The bench agreed that the leak should not have occurred. Quote, "We are with you on that," said Justice Datta, but he questioned its impact on the process, stating, "Would members of high standing be really swayed by a video?" The case stems from a March 14 incident where fire crews discovered bundles of cash at the official residence of Justice Varma in Delhi. An in-house committee later concluded that the presence of cash raised serious concerns, leading to recommendation for his removal. The court will deliver its verdict at a later date.